So today we are going to start a new session for incorporation. And in incorporation, today we are going to learn about the OPC company. That is the one person private limited company. One person company means a company formed with only one single person as a member. Unlike the traditional manner of having at least two members, it is a recognition of single person economics entity, lightens a path to small traders, service providers to ventures into a business by expanding their opportunity to the corporate identity. It give you the corporate identity, it will give you the limited liability status. That means your shareholders and the directors is and their liability is very limited. Limited to the extent of unsubscribed capital. OPC is deemed to have complied with the section 173 if at least one meeting of the BOD has been conducted in each half of the calendar year. Section 173 and section 174 quorum of the board meeting of the board will not apply to an OPC in which there is only one director on its board. So if there is only one director, so quorum of the meeting will not be presented. Only one meeting should be held in each half the calendar year, and OPC is not required to hold AGM also. So for that reason, since APC AGM is not applicable, so filing of the AOC 4 and MGT 7 must be done before the 30th September, and the lease deed and the copy of utility bill should not be older than 2 months. It will be required when you select yes, and you say that I am going to register this company on the registered address only. Okay. From point number 4, you will select your registrar. That is the registrar of the company, National Secretary of Delhi, because this company is incorporating in Delhi itself. Next page, the declaration of the professional. So professional will write his professional address. So our spice part B has been submitted. So let's get started with the today's session. Yesterday, what we learned?
The OPC company.
Yeah, we are doing the formation of OPC company, and in that process, we learned about the basic legal aspects of the OPC company. Their compliances need to be done, and the exemptions available for the OPC. The specific signatures is all for the same, like we are using it for a private limited, or we are using for the OPC, or you are using for the producer company, Nidhi company, limited company, any type of company. So after that, we save this and click the next one. V3 portal, and they have given us the entire MOA that has been prescribed under the Companies Act. Again, at the same time, the article of association of a company limited by shares has been prescribed. So this is the table F, which is related to the company who is going to form as a company limited by shares. Here you need to put the signature of the director, and here you need to put the signature of the professional who is signing the document. If you are advocate, just place the signature over here. But बिना स्पाइस पार्ट बी के सर्टिफिकेशन के वो अप्रूव नहीं होगा, और स्पाइस पार्ट बी में ओनली प्रोफेशनल अलाउड है, चाहे वो एडवोकेट है, ठीक है, चाहे चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट, कॉस्ट अकाउंटेंट या कंपनी सेक्रेटरी.
अच्छा, ठीक सर.
So have a good day to all.